Welcome to solving trigonometric equations. So to solve these equations, you're going to need to rearrange each equation and you make the trig function, so either sine, cos or tan, the subject. Then you solve the equation using your all stations to Crookwell. So here's our two examples. We're going to solve for between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. So that's the all stations to Crookwell. We're going to solve 2 cos theta minus 1 equals 0 and 3 sine theta plus 2 equals to 0. We're going to go nearest degree. So for the first one, remember you're making the trig function the subject, so you've got to get the cos theta by itself and then solve. And the second one, you've got to get the sine theta by itself. Let's have a look at both. So the first one, 2 cos theta minus 1 equals 0, so we're going to add 1 to the other side. Then you're going to divide by 2 and you get cos theta equals a half. You then do theta equals cos minus 1 over half and you get theta equals to 60 degrees. So because cos was positive, because cos theta equaled 1/2 or positive a half, it's in the A and the C quadrant. So draw your triangles, put your 60 degrees in and you get 60 degrees or 300 degrees as your solutions. With the second one, once again, make sine theta the subject, so minus the 2, then divide by the 3. You get sine theta equals minus 2/3. Now, when we solve this, we're going to solve it as a positive, just so we can find the acute angle that we need to put in our triangles. So sine theta equals to 2/3. So you do the sine minus 1 of 2/3, that's 42 degrees. Put the 42 in our two triangles. Remember, sine was negative. So that's in the T quadrant and the C quadrant. Put the 42 into those triangles and we get 222 degrees or 318 degrees. Thank you.